Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we know that number 4 that is about 2 to the power of 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, we simplify s minus number 2 on numerator and denominator. Now we put number 2 cone here, and we have 1 over 4. Question number 2, we do the same. So s we change by the square root of s to the power over of 2. Number 9, we change by 3 to the power of 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Now we need to simplify the square root of s minus number 3. Now we put number 9 gone here. And we have 1 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.